Hi everyone, and welcome to this review note. This video clip, we're going to configure an extended access control list in Cisco IOS. Right now I've got two PCs on different networks, one plant, one staff. I've got a server over here on the right. What I'm going to do is configure, right now there's unlimited access from both PCs into the server. What I'm going to do is allow staff to have unlimited access into the server, and on the plant side, they're going to have access only to the web component or the web service that's running on this server. On the plant side, you can see my IP address on this network. We'll try to ping over onto the server, and we can see once the ARP resolution is finished that that's successful. On PC2 or staff, different network, the third octet is different. Oops. And once I put the right IP address in, we can see that that successfully pings as well. Next thing to do now is configure the access list. Over on our router, looking at the IPs assigned, Gigabit 0 is connected to the network that the server's on. Gigabit 1 is connected to plant. Gigabit 2 is connected to staff. We want to allow unlimited access to this subnet and only web access to this one. First thing that I'm going to do is configure the access list. Okay, the access list is built. There are a few statements. First one is creating the access list itself. We specified extended, and the name is plant web only, as you can see here. The first statement says we're going to permit for protocol TCP any source IP to the destination network where the server exists. Again, first three octets match the network address. For the wildcard, 3 zeros mean that my destination must match that. And then EQ80 corresponds to TCP. So TCP port 80 is going to be the traffic that's matched. That means that any traffic coming through the router going to this network, as long as it's going to TCP port 80, is going to be permitted. Next statement, we're going to deny for the IP protocol source IPs on this network, the plant network. Destination IP, any. We don't care where that traffic's going to go. We're going to block the traffic if the source IP is on the plant network. Because of the fact that this statement is after the permit, if we have TCP port 80 traffic going to the network or the subnet that server's on, we're good. That'll be permitted. After that, any traffic from the plant network is going to get denied. And then this statement, permit IP any, meaning any source IP, any destination IP, no layer 4 restrictions, says that once we've denied the plant traffic, we're going to let anything else through. Meaning in this particular case, the staff traffic is going to be allowed through. Next thing we have to do is apply that onto interface. IP access group. not list, access group, the name of the access list that we created a little bit earlier, outbound. Let's try it out. Plant, we should not be able to ping the server any longer. And we get a message back from the router telling us that the destination host is unreachable. If I try to get to the web server though, totally different story. That works fine. Let's try out PC2. I can still ping, absolutely no problem. And I can also access the website. With the extended access list, we're allowing limited traffic from plant through onto the server, in this case TCP port 80. And as far as staff is concerned, we're allowing unlimited traffic through onto the server. Something extended access list can do that standard cannot, because standard will only look at the source IP address. That's it for extended access lists. Hopefully this was helpful for you, and we'll see you next time.